Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Meghalaya Cricket Association kala Sospon yu secretary uba Regional Kharkamni bat kala Sospon Shirta Jingim yu coach bat manager hadian ba Meghalaya State Commission for Women kala lap yu jingshisha baro halor ke jingsha keno don kti hakikam kran ken shleng yakuken huan ki ken Thei Ïalehkai UNDER-23 yakani lepen pau de president ke MCA u James Sangma hakasi sa jan hak ba ulaong ba updiang ya kakai pot na ka commission bat ke MCA kala pentrikam yaki dak ba Sospon Shirta Jingim yu coach u Hima bat u manager u Sanjay Mondal hak ba kimla bani don benta hakinu kinu kilimpung Ïalehkai la kalong hapo ka jila ni wat Shabaru u James ule thuru ba ka MCA kala Sospon yu secretary ba menta u ba Regional Kharkamni namar shem na shimkhia ringkat kidukhat barim jokani ka sinjuk hadian bagi Thei Ïalehkai cricket kila dab banwan ujor shaki ha usnam balala
is that in the second order which came out on the 26th of June, in which the complainants had also mentioned that the office bearers of that particular time, namely the former president of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, Mr. Navabrata Bhattacharjee, the former secretary, who is also presently the secretary of MCA, Mr. Rinald Kharkamni, the previous treasurer of MCA, Mr. Dhrubajyoti Thakuria, and also the previous manager of cricket operations, Mr. Shining Star Lingdo, have been, very, very clearly found to have not carried out their duties as office bearers of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, despite having knowledge of this complaint, which was first addressed to them, but they took no action against the coach and the manager. And for that, the commission has also recommended that strict action should be taken against all of them. So, in my capacity as president of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, again in compliance with the order of the Meghalaya State Women's Commission, I am placing Mr. Renaud Kamni, the present secretary of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, under suspension. And the matter is being forwarded to the Ombudsman of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, which is a redressal mechanism and an oversight body in the MCA. So we are forwarding this to the Ombudsman, who is a retired Justice of the High Court, for him to take up this matter, which is clearly mentioned in the report of the NSCW, and we are forwarding this matter to the Ombudsman and allow him to take appropriate action on this regard as spelled out in the order of the MSCW. I'm here in my capacity today as the president of Meghalaya Cricket Association, and as you all must be aware that there was recently a complaint filed with the Meghalaya State Women's Commission pertaining to sexual harassment in Meghalaya Cricket Association. This matter was taken up by the Commission, and the Honorable Commission very recently gave out two reports. One was dated 5th of June, and the other report came out as recently as 26th of June. And I would like to place on record that the Meghalaya Cricket Association respects the decision of the Meghalaya Commission, Women's Commission, and all the findings and the report the order which has come out. And we are very thankful for to the Commission for having done due diligence and and having come out with this report. Um, the report has clearly, both these reports have clearly stated in very, very unambiguous terms that the complaint filed by the under 23 women's cricket team of Meghalaya were found to be true, and it has very, very clearly stated that the uh, the coach and the team manager, I will not name them, of course, you will already be having their names, which is mentioned in the order, have been found guilty of sexual harassment, abetment, and of course, having committed sexual harassment, and also uh, the fact that uh, office bearers who were informed of such kind of sexual harassment taking place have also been found guilty. The office bearers of the previous Meghalaya Cricket Association have also been found guilty of the fact that they did not act upon the complaint which they personally got before the players had no other choice but to go to the Meghalaya Women's Commission. So I would like to today say that we respect the order of the commission, and the commission has very, very clearly passed an order, and being a quasi-judicial body, we have to comply with the recommendations and the orders of the Meghalaya State Women's Commission. And accordingly, I, as the president, the present president, the incumbent president of the Meghalaya Cricket Association, um, we have taken a decision, and I have passed necessary orders complying with the order of the Meghalaya State Women's Commission to dismiss both the coach and the team manager, and we are also not just dismissing them, but we are also placing a lifetime ban on them, that they should not ever work with Meghalaya Cricket Association, or for that matter with any other cricketing body in the country. We will be informing this to all the cricket associations. Um, this is something that for us as an organization, we believe that uh, there should be zero tolerance towards any form of sexual